my name's Sophia Dueck. My candidate number is 7080. And for my creative critical reflection question 3, I'll be discussing how production skills developed throughout this project. From designing my fashion magazine to managing my blog, I learned a lot about media creation, design, and problem solving. So, to begin, before starting this project, I had a limited experience with magazine design and blog structuring. I knew the basics of Canva, but I wasn't confident in creating a cohesive and professional looking layout. I also wasn't sure how to effectively balance visuals and text in a way that the audience would engage with. As I worked on my magazine and blog, I improved my technical skills significantly. I learned how to use Canva more effectively, including advanced layout techniques, font pairing, and visual alignment. I also structured my blog posts in a more organized way, making them easier to read and more engaging. Additionally, I experimented with mostly Photoshop to make my CCR more interactive and visually appealing, and making sure the spacing matched the look I was going for. And then beyond just my technical skills, I also developed my creative decision making. I experimented with different fonts, colors, and spacing to make my magazine visually appealing while still professional. I also learned how to balance text and images so that neither overpowered the other. This helped me improve my storytelling through fashion media, making my content more engaging and aesthetically cohesive and connected. Throughout the project, I also faced some challenges. So one of the biggest challenges was formatting issues on Adobe Photoshop. Sometimes text and images wouldn't align the way I wanted. I solved this by adjusting templates, tweaking spacing, and refining my layout choices. Another challenge was ensuring my images looked high quality across different platforms. To fix this, I used editing tools to enhance resolution and lighting, mostly Adobe Photoshop because it has several different tools. And I also learned how to use like Canva and things like that. And I watched tutorials to help me. And then overall, this project helped me grow in multiple ways. I became much more confident in media production, improving both my design and my problem-solving skills. I developed a stronger eye for branding and aesthetics, which will help me in the future projects. This experience has given me a solid foundation in fashion media production, and now I feel much more capable of creating engaging professional content. So, thank you.